What are POS systems for bars? Point-of-sale systems for bars are designed to help managers at drinking establishments handle operations through a digital hub to increase efficiency in ordering and payment, heighten security, and support transparency in business practices. Common features for POS systems for bars include order entry, to expedite the drink order process by automating tab transfers, repeat orders, and check consolidation. Video and security system integration allows managers to review bartenders to improve accountability during each drink pour and reduce bar shrinkage. Multi-user compatibility allows every bartender to use the same terminal through unique login features, including card readers, numerical keypads, and fingerprint scanners. Recipe definition and customization provides searchable components for bar menu options, as well as customizable drink orders. Types of buyers looking for POS systems for bars include owners of small, mid-size, and large operations. Small bars with a single location can benefit from a standard POS system enabling tab management and payment processing. Mid-size bars can optimize multiple serving areas in a high-traffic business by using advanced features including reporting and analytics, a drink database, and inventory management. Large bar operators can create brand uniformity at multiple locations with enterprise-level dashboards and analytics, online ordering, and multiple location management that are available in advanced bar POS systems. Key considerations to look for when choosing POS systems for bars include employee and sales tracking to calculate total hours worked, set up work schedules, and anticipate changes in staffing needs through sales forecasting. Effective inventory tools provide real-time updates for fluctuating stock levels and allow users to create regular delivery schedules and automatic shipping notices. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.